The Renault Scenic II from 2003 to 2009 features an anti-theft system that locks the radio after a power interruption, like a battery replacement. This requires entering a unique code to unlock it and restore audio functionality. This video will guide you through the process. Your radio code is a 4 or 5-digit number linked to your vehicle's VIN and the radio's serial number. Check your vehicle's handbook, wallet card, or service history for the code. If you can't find it, you can retrieve it from Renault's official website, third-party online services using your radio's serial number, or by contacting a Renault dealer with your VIN and radio serial number. The radio serial often starts with RD4. First, turn the ignition to the ACC accessory mode to provide power to the radio. Next, press the power button on the radio. The display will show code, indicating the radio is locked and waiting for the code. Now, use the preset buttons numbered 1 through 4 to enter each digit of your code. Press each button the number of times corresponding to the digit. For example, for code 1234, press button 1 once, button 2 once, button 3 once, and button 4 once. Finally, confirm your code entry by long pressing the designated button, usually marked OK or Enter. The radio should unlock and resume normal function. If you enter the wrong code multiple times, typically after 3 attempts, the radio will lock for 1 to 2 hours as a security measure. Wait for this lockout period to end before attempting to enter the code again. Ensure you have the correct code from your vehicle's documentation or a Renault dealer, and follow the entry process precisely. If problems continue, consider using AI-assisted OBD2 scanners that can interface with the vehicle's ECU to potentially bypass the code in some cases. A common issue is battery drain causing intermittent radio locks, especially with aftermarket batteries. Ensure your battery is in good condition by checking connections and testing voltage. Also, confirm you are using the correct button sequence for your specific radio model, such as RD4 or RN4 series. Check the radio's label for identification. Online services like radiocode.co.uk and carradiocode.com provide easy access to radio codes. Mobile apps such as Radio Code Unlocker offer similar functionality. These typically require your radio's serial number and may charge a small fee for the service. They offer instant code delivery through email or SMS, eliminating the need to visit a dealership and saving time. Before working on the radio, disconnect the battery's negative terminal to avoid electrical hazards. Use insulated tools to prevent electrical shocks. If the radio is integrated with the vehicle's infotainment system, consult a professional to prevent ECU damage. Remember, radio codes are vehicle-specific. There is no universal master code. Future trends in automotive technology are moving away from manual radio codes towards seamless, code-free systems. Newer Renault models feature keyless entry and smartphone-paired infotainment that automatically unlocks the radio when you start the vehicle. This eliminates the need for codes entirely, as the system recognizes your key fob or phone and unlocks the audio system instantly. For older vehicles like the Scenic II, trends show retrofitting with adapters such as CarPlay or Android Auto. These allow wireless connection to your smartphone for audio control without needing radio codes. These adapters provide modern features like navigation, music streaming, and phone integration directly through the car's display. Looking ahead, by 2030, experts predict most vehicles will use biometric sensors or cloud-based verification, making traditional radio codes obsolete. Consider these modern alternatives for a better driving experience.